Thank you so much for everybody who shook mouth onto the Amebo area. I won't beg. If you be like say we not take your calls or we not read your message now because we not get too much time, and you know say we need to pack our load come out from inside the studio by 11. Lady JJ, Baba got there. My people.
First voice. Now they make me sound old with this Baba.
Baba got there. Irun funfun ti kun everywhere now.
I never old, I beg.
Irun funfun ti kun everywhere now.
Call me first voice.
Okay. Baba got there first voice.
Oh yeah,
these people won't hold me by force.
Go. That one.
You won't hold me by force.
Baba got there first voice.
Oh, if you call them go.
Now only to mama they call me that one.
But you know they here now.
I better not try them. They will arrest you when you leave here.
Arrest you.
Yes. To mama patent that thing with CAC, Corporate Affairs Commission. Go. Not only me. Only to mama they call me. No try and Lady J. They don't want enter problem.
But wait. Lady J, you get one special name where you they call first voice.
I know get.
My G.
Call me your own. You get your own.
I they give him the expo. No be me won't call you go now.
No, now they don't say no give him any expo. She they call me Baba God. I say me she remember first voice. You will get Wiz G. You know say Wiz G. They tell her another person.
But you know they show say you like him now. So you like it.
I don't know say I like him like how. If I don't like her, I go complain.
Wiz G.
Yeah.
When somebody call you the name, when somebody call you the name when you like, you supposed to respond to her.
Let me give Becca name when she don't like.
Give me name.
No call me Baba God.
Baba God, give me name now.
I dey think the name I won't give.
Oh yeah, nah. You go give me the name before the end of the show.
I dey think the name I won't give. When I think the name, you go.
Okay, how far now? How the roads when they come? Because a lot of people they talk say like say the roads on the tight.
You know say Lady J they always reach here early morning.
Yeah.
So Lady J they see traffic like me.
They see traffic now, especially when we get to Yanoworo, entering inside Third Mainland Bridge.
Okay.
Now that the traffic they day. Especially as one side still they closed. So now there the traffic they most times. Then once we leave that area, the rest they okay.
You know to me they pass the Ikorodu road normally. So people don't come back to Lagos basically.
Because you know at a point last week they say say the road.
Yes, now it take me 25-30 minutes to just breeze. Nah, you know if you try them again like that because traffic will be plenty and even the sign where they did for that Friday you board where they show you how hours don't increase. Before that time you go show you like 20 minutes. You go tell you say Lekki through Eco Bridge 20 minutes 30 minutes. Now it go show you 1 hour. Sometimes it go show you 45 minutes. You know say yes traffic don't they gather really. So people don't come out to Lagos. I don't know what they define. Therefore Google stay where they go before. You understand? Especially with this lockdown, if people for stay where then they if you never come you see they listen to us.
But they go need to come work now. Now Lagos be the headquarters of hustling now.
We don't want everybody come Lagos. If you don't say you get work, come. If you don't get work, no come find work. No work here. Find work for your state. Don't for this space if you go work. Yes, now because bridge no good. Now only one part of bridge will they pass. Will they suffer? So no, you ain't the jobless. No come add to the problem for Lagos. You understand? Or if you want to leave your car for there, enter BRT.
You know, as they come this morning, when they come, and me and BC they just now can't tell them sometimes. Say by the time I get my car, if I tire, I no go drive.
So wait till you just park am for one corner.
My dear, nothing like say you drive. You won't prove say you get car. You don't tire. You they sleep on top steering. God forbid that may no go.
No, but naturally, if you dey tired and you
no drive,
you know you're not supposed to drive come out for house.
No drive.
But some of us don't they used to now. No matter how we be, whether we sleep quick, we no sleep quick. Once we wake up in the morning, start car like this. Our eye don't. You never find out sometimes you go they drive. Maybe the people there for inside car. Everybody they sleep. Only you they are weak because now you they drive. That unconsciously for your mind don't. But I remember one of those in those days when I see they do morning runs when you know this early morning waking up, the tired person.
Yeah.
One of those days I don't tire.
Yeah.
So I don't reach office after the show. I don't tire. I won't go house. I can't drive. On top Third Mainland Bridge, sleep can't they catch me. I know say I know if we finish that bridge. I just park by the side, put my trafficator, come put my head on top steering, can't they sleep. The next one I know, after like 5 minutes, police on surround the place. They can't go. Waiting they happen. They can't tap the windscreen. As they tap and now open. I come and they say, what's the problem? So I say, I'm feeling tired and sleepy. They say, oh, I can see you. They can't say, okay, move, go park. They can't carry me go where. You know all those corner waiting for Third Mainland Bridge. Police say, I can't go there, go park where. Can't stretch my chair. Police they guide me at the sleep. I sleep for
As
like
the
1 hour.
first voice where you be.
You don't thought to be
Those
IP.
policemen they be but of course part of this is why they do it because I just tell them say I say so I can't tell them say who I be. I just show them my ID card say who I be and from radio so they already knows I be big name. So they need to tread with caution. Police park car there they guide me and they sleep for motor.
Now, wow.
How long
I sleep for like 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yes,
So which
on
time you
top
can't
bridge.
reach? So which time you can't reach office?
No, I don't already finish morning
Okay,
runs.
not finish morning
Yeah, I don't
runs,
come in the
so-
morning before 6, finish show by 11. Say my rush go as go sleep, the sleep they catch me all through the time I do on air. Now, as I climb the bridge, I say if I try to finish this bridge, I go end up on top of the water. I just sleep for that side. So that time, sometimes some good policemen they.
So as you dey leave Alpha,
No,
and
I give them lunch now definitely.
because no be small work.
No,
with you.
I get a small thing for lunch.
Okay.
And when one give policemen reach like 4
Yeah.
small thing, no be 1K.
Yes,
Of
no.
course.
Understand? I just share 1K for all of them, like 4 of them. They just take chop lunch. They're happy, eh? Because they need to follow me reach the I don't want escort. I don't want escort. But I never ever forget that experience. I can't stretch my chair, can't put on the car, can't put the AC. That 1 hour sleep, eh?
You really need that.
You know, sometimes all those small sleep, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
Yeah,
sleep,
they do a lot too.
They do a lot. They do a lot. You go feel like say you don't sleep for like 30 minutes or 1 hour, but not just 10 minutes.
I want
sleep.
you to advise people. Sometimes you go see somebody there by your side, they drive, increase the volume of your radio.
Yeah.
You go, they say, what you do on the film. Sometimes, maybe that music, that the only way they keep them awake.
Yeah.
You know, say the music loud.
Yeah.
You know, go. So, before you yab, I bet we they try to form for say
Yeah.
you get car. That person maybe sleep, they catch them and
You
no
don't
better
want
place
sleep.
to spark. Because road safety go tell you, say, before you even park for side of the road, say you want relax. Make sure say the place is safe. Okay,
All right,
come on,
we get just 3 matter wey be say we just sharply. I
Okay,
want make na shook mouth. I don't know if na see the fufu challenge where they go on.
Fufu challenge.
Fufu,
I don't see am.
F-U-F-U.
I never see that
Lady J, you don't see the fufu challenge.
see am, oh.
And I know they check Twitter well because yesterday, if you check Twitter very well, the fufu challenge they really trend. Maybe say especially people from America,
And I will
they go
start-
shop fufu.
And I will start to the trend from evening, right? Because when
From,
we day here,
from
we do what's trending,
afternoon
we know-
towards
you know,
evening,
okay.
fufu they trend. So a lot of people come dey scared say the way we say fufu challenge they trend. So say no be say the fufu wey we say we dey buy normally for 50 naira, 100
The
naira.
one price won't
The
increase.
price go increase. But wetin make fufu challenge, fufu rather trend rather on top Twitter yesterday na because a lot of foreign people jump on that
top
fufu
fufu
challenge. The videos, like few of the videos wey I see, you will see them say they try shop fufu.
Fufu,
You know,
okay.
some buy am with egusi soup.
Okay.
Some of the Oyinbo buy am with okra.
So they
soup.
go Nigerian
They
restaurant.
go Nigerian restaurant
Okay.
to go buy them, especially on top TikTok.
Okay,
TikTok,
okay.
they really trend. They will come start the first thing after they don't bring the fufu out. They go slap the fufu like this.
Come make am flat.
No,
They
just slap am. You know, say
That be
fufu.
the challenge, ba.
Yeah, so they first tap the fufu because fufu normally they dey fluffy. Some nice fufu they dey fluffy. So they just tap them, then they come put their hand. You know, out of 100% of the people who try this fufu challenge, a lot of them, you know, spit am hot.
Because they don't know how to swallow am.
They say
Or
this,
eat am.
the
smell and the taste,
the smell. Say it dey, you know, as when people they talk, say it's gross.
Gross.
All right, so the first one we say we want to talk about. The second one, this matter now. It they everywhere,
Yeah.
everywhere. Even when I dey do Amebo area, a lot of guys they call, they text in rather say they themselves they don't join this new association.
Tell
We
me that.
hey Lady J, they call them SMUAN,
Yeah.
the Stingy Men Association of Nigeria. And if they think about am say wetin this new Stingy Men Association of Nigeria dey about, they say the definition no dey funny. They say is it not funny say the definition of a stingy man is someone who don't give money, while the definition of the stingy woman is one who doesn't give sex.
And the women definition no.
It no make sense.
No make sense.
Yeah.
I mean, so because sex no be commodity, no be what you go take buy something.
Yeah.
Sex now based on what they come based on feelings, based on who you love and all that. So any woman will say she be stingy, woman you know will give for sex. So you be commercial sex worker.
Because even if you check the logo, the men, their logo, now that fist hand
Yes.
where we use for entrance. Then for the women, now closed legs.
So, and the way the women own the leg close,
And the
the
leg
leg
close.
close like S close 2 times. You understand?
You know, God
but me, I not go join the Stingy Men Association. I know why I don't want to join because I'm not a stingy man. Yes, I know the stingy man. I be giver.
No, Godwin,
I
when
know how
you
to give,
mention
and so I don't want to join stingy men. The first I don't want to join, no mean say I dey throw away money anyhow. You understand? If somebody need money, whether na man, whether na woman, whether na boy, if the person need money and I they in the position to feel help, and I find I say this person get genuinely, I go help her, whether na woman or not. But because I not be stingy person, I not fit join the association. Some guys can't even do another one when they call. Make I even show you that one. They come put fine boys when they cheat association.
I be like I see you there.
They come put my picture inside. They come call me honorable. So now they get fine boys when they cheat association. Say if you get girl and you they cheat on her, you know this association. So if you get one person where you they faithful to, if you join this association, but you also need to be fine boy. So I did the association. I be honorable for that one. Then they send me all those Chris beats and the manager and C boy and then put me inside. C-boy. And then put me inside. But for the stingy man, I refuse to join because I'm not a stingy man.
Okay, well, get something I want to talk. When you talk, say for woman, we go say tell her husband. Say she no go give him sex until you give her money. If you do that kind of thing, I be say they're different from a commercial sex worker. Because them they collect money, they give you the service in exchange for service. But you not be like that now. You be now your husband conjugal rights. You understand? And no be say you be boyfriend or girlfriend or fiancé where you go fix talk say no touch me or not that one. But this one you get legal some get legal right where they bind the two of now. So if you say no until you pay money, now be say you don't put yourself equal to commercial sex worker.
The most shocking thing about this stingy men are the quality of people we join. Don Jazzy, Rude Boy, Praise. See Praise on now. Praise saying be operations officer. See picture there. Praise. Stingy man on Nigeria operations officer. You understand? If I open all of them and you go see all of them don't join no Don Jazzy. Everybody.
Arambi they talk this morning say he himself he won't join this association.
Stingy men association.
I said Arambi you cannot join because normally Arambi they buy me scotch egg every morning. They collect form.
The stingy men association and see the form, your name, location, position, and the oath where you go take. I know people my name because I know be them. Swear say I go uphold the dignity of this great association with due diligence to never give shishi by any means of financial exploitation to any woman. To respect and uphold the constitution of this great association. So help me God. Now for them, me I know.
Waiting can be the this thing of your own fine boy association.
No, honest, you don't cheat and you're a fine boy. And you know be stingy man. So I want to say the three key. You must not belong to a stingy man association. You must be a fine boy, and you know they cheat. You are a one woman man.
Because me I be one woman man. I know they.
No, you be
one man woman.
One man woman.
You be one man woman.
Right now you be no man woman. You don't get man.
I don't get man, but I they tell
until you get that you be one man woman.
I tell you the kind person where I be. I know they double date.
Okay, you go be one man woman.
Yeah.
When you get.
But even from my past relationships, I know they.
Okay, in the past you be one man woman.
I know
currently now you be woman. Then when you get you go be one woman.
God do it, I beg you. Stop all this definition. What did they do you?
No, nah.
As if it's Arabi there, your nation, Arabi go don't drag.
Becca, don't tell me what
happened. They drag me. I also they charge all of now to they drag me.
Becca, don't tell me what happened to me yesterday. Was it yesterday? I be which day, man? So now I want collect headphone.
Okay.
I mistakenly go touch Lady J, baby. I felt something because it was round.
Oh.
It was big and succulent.
Oh, Lady J.
Now I don't talk anything, no. Now later Lady J come stand here, come bend her back set. As I come in, and now I see the back. Now I say, Lady J, I want to say something. That Lady J say, you want to talk about the way we are take set. I say, don't be the set, you know. He get one thing you want to talk.
Now the arc.
You remember when my hand touched something? Yeah. Now the DJ say she go slap me if I talk her. Now reporter on air said, Lady J, they threaten violence. In a man now they go women association go say violence against women. Now Lady J threatening violence against me just because my hand mistakenly touched the Bobby. Just before I talk to him, they run the same message for WhatsApp. God will leave Lady J's Bobby. We are the one eyeing her. Now you want Maria.
That's why somebody even send message talking about Lady J. And so the person saying he really love you. Say you don't send message to your DM. Say
you make you respond. And the message.
Which message? I don't see any message.
Please don't check your Instagram message. Lady J, they are in love with you.
And the guy say, make sure say that mistake not happen again.
No be smart.
Because they get plan for that.
The Bobby.
I get plan. Una go kidnap me, Abi.
Yeah, because we don't get too much time, we just enter the last one before BC that's going to enter inside the studio. The last G's, this one too actually they funny. So you get one notorious Abuja kidnapper where another kidnapper abduct
Kidnapper, he can pay 1.5
he can pay
million.
1.5 million for your own freedom.
It be like when you know say person where they live for your house now thief. So you won't go out, you can say, Lawrence, come on. Let me hold this 500k. And I'm only want use pay so people, but hold on. If the man come, now you go pay him. Now how you want to thief the money? Because now you don't give her the money, hold. So now, but for kid, it be like it can't remind me of Evans.
Okay, Evans the kidnapper.
Evans the kidnapper. Yeah. We need to hear about Evans again. But for kidnapper to kidnap you, that means your own game they very low.
Very, very low.
Because you suppose it be like me. It don't say police now come work out go enter inside barracks say they want arrest soldier. It's not possible now. You will be kidnapped, they collect money. Not be only say they kidnap you. They can't collect 1.5 million for you. You not even negotiate. Say guy now we win now. You understand? More join together, more join forces. For you know who to even negotiate, come pay 1.5. That means you be failed kidnapper. That means say your qualification, they need to check them out.
As the matter come with the hunter, come become the bushmeat.
Exactly. The hunter became the hunted.
You know, so Psalms water and a prophet, he say one day bushmeat go catch the hunter.
And bushmeat catch the hunter.
So, but if we won't carry this kind of matter go court now, we go arrest both the notorious kidnapper, the person wey kidnap am, because him too they do this bad thing.
And you know what happened? They go first. The guy we paid the 1.5. Now they go first arrest him because of the former kidnapping we don't do before. So when they prosecute in case instead they sue this guy to court. So if you do case for court A, they will kind of go court B, go say, my lord, this person also. So they're gonna do two different cases for the same place. At the end of the day, both of them go end up for the same place, prison. Then they will come sit down. They say, but guy, why you go do this kind of thing? I say, no, to me now. I'm not rich here. They're going to call the sit down and say, no, you're not supposed to be like that and all those stuff. So, but it is very, very funny.
Very funny.
If you want one of the funniest places to get gist, now when you see where police they parade people suspect, they go tell you all kinds of stories. You go shock the way they do them. And Nigerian suspect, you know, say for abroad they go they say, I know my rights. Call my lawyer. Don't talk without a lawyer. But when Nigerian they sing like parrot.
What they catch them?
If you want to commit crime, make sure say you get person who get mind. Because the way they catch one person, not be only me, even when they know as Ogama tell you, it's not be only me. With plenty.
You know why they talk like that?
Why
they talk like that? Because they know say if they ask them say you do if they say no, they go carry them, go torture them. So to prevent that torturing parole, make them kuku just confess, say see as the thing be.
So they will come talk everything, sing like parrot, talk everything they don't do, you know. So Nigerian criminals don't really get mind. Only to intimidate innocent people then sabi. When you catch them, see abroad criminal that you know they hear the word, I'm not a snitch. They go prison. Person will commit the crime go there outside. They say they not be snitch. Meanwhile they don't go prison. Person there outside go get correction.
Even if you watch Power very well, you go see as the arrangements they go
and
inside Power.
Once you snitch though, but because all this our own, we not get organized crime here.
Organized crime.
Our crime here na point and key. Don't wake up. Guy, how far? Come on, we go. More kidnap today now. We not try. If they don't, we go make like some million. We don't make and we not do again.
So when they don't do it,
so when you can't catch them mistakenly, don't catch them. We not get organized in. See, Lady J, you know how they do crime in those days for America during the time of the Al Capone and all those people. They go come tell you say, Lady J, we won't buy this on land ready for Lekki, won't business. You go say, no, I'm not selling our ancestral home. They say, no problem. In the night, somebody go come wake you. Put gun for your head. Lady J, sign the paper.
Yeah, that's what they do.
If you tell anybody say we come here, you know that your sister with the just.
Yeah.
Yesterday, in wear this color of cloth, go to church. And then in the go this party, work for this particular place. Your in daughter, they go to school. Want it. If you tell anybody, all of them go just fall. So for your mind, next you go, your man go say, Lady J, say, honey, we need to sell this land. We not really need that land. You go see where we say, they go say somebody say, you get one person inside prison, where they talk anyhow for police. They go make their own person commit crime. They go arrest and make sure say they get inside that for police and prison. We go carry that person, go that same jail where that person is.
So I go kill him.
Go kill him. Then they will come free him again. Now be organized crime. Yeah, na point and kill.
Point and kill. That one they very right. You know, I choose you. May we see for this place so and so place for night for this so and so time. That now they do them now. They don't know their house whether these people sabi do tifo. The child know say okay these people then they my I want goons me know that kind of thing. So oh yeah you Johnny Alpha Around this time, me will see. When they come, they say, "Hey, this is what we want to do." You get one guy, we get money, but the guy they very very stingy. And in fact, 2 weeks ago you offend me, so we want teach him lesson. Now so they do their crime. Based on or say this person don't offend me already.
The way they describe it, it's like someone buy for your compound before they do it.
I beg go. I beg go.
All right. Before I ask both of now, waiting there on top of the show today. Just Cynthia send one message. He say make no go there. Say that logo where women get on top that Stingy Women Association of Nigeria matter. He say apart from money, what else we men get to offer? Shana every money man gets ni. I beg, if men can survive without sex, we women can survive without their money.
Na lie.
He say she be full member of SWANO. She can't put Wakanda forever.
Okay.
Wakanda forever.
Now Wakanda forever. So all right, now waiting be so. But before I go come up from inside the studio, who want answer? I was waiting there on top workshop this afternoon.
Waiting there. Well, today na Tuesday. Of course, we go do Naija original, and we don't talk last week. So we go do comparison between I think Omale and who one person.
Yeah, not some of these new guys.
New guys.
Omale, Rema,
yeah.
Joe Boy,
Fireboy.
So we go put them and the make people let us know who them say be the biggest or the hottest for all those young
them.
guys.
Yes, so from there we get our trending gist, entertainment gist.
Okay.
Yes, and of course Kentucky go there on ground to do in top 20 countdown. That will shell around 2:30 go reach 3:30. 3:30 we go come back run the groove as until 4 o'clock. We go be our destination time. So in between we get
you get one question what we go
entertainment
ask.
gist.
You get one question what we go ask.
We get other small things we want to talk about and
and then we'll see one thing somewhere when they talk about city house and village house. When they talk say house and be for village no get any value compared to the one they for city. We go discuss and maybe let us know what you think about that. Because
you get some houses for village.
Because me I believe say some houses for
a mansion.
Mommy I believe say house for village really no get any value depending on
the location.
On the location. So we go discuss that one whether it makes sense to make carry money go build house for village. Because some of us our papa get house for village, but we no get plan to go that village. Our children don't even get plan to go there. The house don't there many years now. So you go come the house and say that house na Lagos them build that. If no favor now if you use house collect loan for Lagos, but you know if you use the village collect loan for you understand. So
all right.
Those on a part of the G3.
Okay, yes, no problem. You don't hear the voices of Lady J and the first voice of Naija FM. Don't forget to join us the same time tomorrow between 6 o'clock to 11 o'clock when we go they bring you the sweet in the middle edition of Morning Runs with MC R&B and the Becca Blaze. Don't forget to join me on top of my Becca on my Instagram rather at Becca Blaze BECCABLISSC on top Instagram. Maybe we know each other now. Maybe roll things together. 11:30 done now. So now time for tinkling news. No come on your dial from the dial 102.7 because now the headquarters of all the information where you need. I don't go.